Hello everyone, it's Tim again. I'm going to be doing another reaction video again, and this time I'm going to react to the D-Crack. It was one video that I uploaded 4 years ago. The video I'm going to react to is called Eating Ghost Pepper Chips, Warning Hot. So yeah, I'm going to react into it. So before I even start, I want to give a disclaimer here. If you do not like the content I make, the reaction videos, or any of the other stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, then don't watch it else or else, because the only thing you can be doing is giving me a view, and that's the damn truth one. That's the damn truth, and nothing but the truth. So yeah, so now without further ado, let's get to the video right now. Let's get to it right now.
What's up everyone, D-Crack here, and this is a little bit of a more different video. I'm going to be trying these chips. They're called Pack or Pack Q, I'm not sure. Haunted Ghost Pepper Chips. Now, I've never tried these before. I just saw them at the gas station, so I don't know if they can be too bad if they're from the gas station, but the ingredients say ground corn, expressed canola oil, salt, ghost pepper.
Oh boy.
Onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder. So there's apparently is ghost pepper in these, and it says on the back, warning, the contents of this bag are extremely frightening. Pack Q is not responsible for any injuries that may result from ingesting this delicious terror. The use of gloves and safety goggles is encouraged. Common side effects include addiction to burning pain, blurred vision, and unquenchable thirst. Enjoy with caution and consider yourself warned. Oh gosh.
Oh boy.
I really don't know if I want to do this now. I do have some milk. I do have some milk in here.
I think in the past, I just can't remember. I can't remember.
Guys, I'm honestly kind of scared. Oh jeez. Thing is, I don't want to be touching my eyes.
Sure.
I know you can't touch your eyes because that's something that's really bad to get.
Oh yeah.
It's really bad to get on your eyes. I do have this here. I guess if I start sweating or something too bad, but. Oh gosh. Guys, I'm really kind of dreading doing this. I'm just gonna eat one. I don't know if I should just take a bite of the chip or eat the whole chip. I do like spicy foods, but I've never had ghost pepper, so I don't know how bad this will be. I guess let's just do it.
I know I did the one chip challenge 2 times already. And not going for a 3rd time.
Ooh. Okay, the second it hit my tongue. Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Oh boy. Oh dear. It must have been that strong. Oh dear.
Oh my. Ooh. Guys, this is no joke. I didn't think it was gonna. My mouth is burning. That's just one chip. It's slowly starting to build. I'm gonna try to see how long I can go without. Oh my gosh! Without drinking any milk. Oh. Ooh.
I just even checked on my.
Gosh.
This is just
I don't want to touch my eyes. Oh gosh. I think I should eat one more chip. Haunted ghost pepper. Oh my gosh, those are. Like I said, I do like pretty hot food, so I feel like I'm probably doing better than someone who just doesn't like hot food at all. This one here has quite a bit of seasoning and crap on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat that one. Wish me luck. Oh, there it is. Oh,
Oh boy. Oh dear.
oh my gosh. Guys. It doesn't say how much ghost pepper powder or whatever is in these chips, but oh my gosh. It's hot. I mean, like I said, I can eat some pretty spicy and hot foods. I think that's the only reason I'm maintaining myself somewhat well, but it's hot. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right. I think I should eat one more. I think 3 chips is enough. I'm gonna eat one more. Ugh. Sorry for all the nasty sound effects, but my God. Let's eat this folded one. It's got a lot of seasoning on it. Oh gosh. These are a lot. My lips are starting to turn red.
Oh boy.
These are a lot hotter. These are a lot hotter than I thought they were going to be. If this is just powder of the ghost chili, ghost pepper, I couldn't imagine eating, like taking a ghost pepper and eating it, crunching it up in my mouth. Oh. And I'm going to do one more, guys. I'm going to do one more. Or maybe, I don't know if this is the last one, but we'll do one. It doesn't hit you right away. It takes a second.
Uh-oh.
I think that chip had more powder on it. Ooh. Oh, I feel my sinuses starting to open up. Oh my gosh. These are pretty bad. Yeah. I mean, if you get past the heat, the chips are pretty good. It's just, there's no real flavor. It's almost like a smoky flavor, but then just like straight heat and hotness. Oh gosh, now I'm burping. All right, I honestly still feel myself starting to sweat a little bit. All right, I'm gonna eat one more.
Yeah, boy.
One more. This is number. I keep feeling like my nose is gonna start running. Oh gosh. Oh, my throat's starting to feel really just like. All right. I'm gonna do one more, and then we'll be done. I think this last one was the biggest chip. It's just like it's like a piercing pain in my mouth. It's just like, all right, I'm gonna see how long I can go. I'm gonna see how long I can go on this last chip without taking a drink of milk. Oh my gosh.
strong.
Alright, okay, that's enough. Oh. Oh, guys. Oh, I'm done. I just saw these at the store and I thought it'd be a good video. Me trying these. Leave a like on this video. Please leave a like through the torture and pain I just went through.
Oh yeah.
Oh god. Oh, my lip feels kind of numb. All right, leave a like on this video.
So yeah, that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys like this reaction. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys do like it. If you don't, then I don't care, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload, and share my videos and reaction videos to your friends and family also if you want to. It's your choice, because I ain't making you. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to D-Crack if you're new. Subscribe to his channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe. And we're on the road to 2K subscribers and maybe 3K subscribers. So yeah, and that's the end of this reaction video. And I'll see y'all for more banger reaction video to come. And I'll see y'all in the next time. Different joints signing out, and peace out, Story Legends, and happy Halloween month, and peace out, everyone.